What is the most widely recognized essential oil in the world that's been used for over 2,500 years? Do you know the answer? I'll have that for you coming right up. Hi guys, welcome back to BENEVA'S Homestead. I'm so glad you're here. If you guessed lavender as the answer to the previous question, you're absolutely right. This wonderful essential oil or plant has been used for over 2,500 years. There's so many ways that we can use it in our life today, and I just want to share a few ways that we can get it in our life. Okay, let's get started. One of the first things that we're going to make is we're going to make just an air freshener or a room spray. I have just filled this little container up here with the distilled water. I have the Essential Depot is who I like to buy my oils from, and it's a lavender essential oil. You can also use the French lavender, which some say has more sedative qualities and really make you sleep like a baby. So we're just going to take about, I like to use about 20 drops. There you go, 20 drops. Just going to put the lid on it. Shake it. This is what the finished product looks like. It's so easy. Sprays wonderful. It's a wonderful mist. Some of the things that you can do with this is going to be, we can use this as an air freshener. We can also use it as a linen spray before you go to bed to help you sleep, or a pillow spray. We can also use this as a body spray. It's just lavender. It's only going to relax us. We can take this small enough, we can put this in our car and use it as a car freshener as well. So one spray, and we have an air freshener, a pillow spray, a body spray. You can also use this to spray your pet bedding. I've done a little bit of research and they said it was pretty safe for pets. We can use it as a car freshener. So I think this is just very easy thing for us to do. What we're going to do now is we're going to make a rollerball. This is going to have several applications as well, and we're just going to put a carrier oil. I'm using jojoba. I'm going to fill that up, and we're just going to use our dropper to add some essential oils. 2, 3, 4. I'll use about 20 drops as well. This is just an approximate. It doesn't have to be exact. If you want it more scented, you can add a few more drops. Less scented, you can add less drops. We have the little rollerball top here. You're just going to pop it down, put the lid on it, shake it. What we can do with this is we can apply this at night to the bottom of our feet right when we're ready to go to bed. You can also apply it to your wrist, behind your ears, your temple area. This is really going to help you get some sleep. So I hope that you enjoyed that recipe as well. Okay, so I hope that these recipes that I gave you, the couple of different applications, is enough to get you started on the road to using aromatherapy. There's a few other things I just wanted to talk to you about that is so easy to do. One thing you can do is, which I do it a lot, is we have a diffuser, and just put some water in there and put a couple of drops, whatever it is to your liking, maybe 6 or 7 drops of essential oils of the lavender in your diffuser. It's wonderful to have that on your bed at night to help you sleep as well as with the rollerball. Another thing that you can do if you're really stressed is whenever you take a long hot bath, you can add a cup of Epsom salt. You probably need to do this de-stress bath at least twice a week, and you add a cup and a half of Epsom salt and then a few drops of the lavender essential oil to your bath water. Have a nice long soak, get out of the bath, use your rollerball, use your pillow spray, turn on your diffuser, and you have set yourself up for a wonderful night's sleep. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and please share it with your friends. I just want you to have a wonderful night's sleep and wake up more beautiful every day. Thank you.